The mission of Rotary, ladies and gentlemen, is to provide service to others. It is what we do. It is our purpose to make the world a better place to live by serving those less fortunate than ourselves. Indeed, the 70th annual Rotary Show's purpose is to raise money to give back to the community through over $35,000 in grants provided every year. We call it Good Works. We also provide service to our region in the form of scholarships and meetings benefiting our youth and those who cannot provide for themselves. We serve people through international service by providing clean water filters to schools in Haiti, wheelchairs to polio survivors in Nigeria, microloans in Guatemala, and school uniforms in South Africa. If service above self is an idea that appeals to you, do as the next song suggests. Come join us and help us save the world one child at a time.
I see a need, I like to lend a hand.
We all have someone to understand that there are people in this world who really need us now. It's up to each of us to figure out how